Wagwan people, welcome to Kevo Kitchen again. Today I will be making steamed fish with crackers my way. Here I have my ingredients. I use half of a green bell pepper, half of a yellow bell pepper, half of an orange bell pepper. Here I have the Excelsior water crackers, straight out of Jamaica. Here I have the Grace coconut powder. You know, with this, it gives the fish a lot of flavor. Here I have the MAGGIE beef flavor. And right here I have the Grace Caribbean fish seasoning. I use maybe 8 or 10 okras. I cut up green onion, sweet onion, my thyme of course.
About how many green onions did you use?
Half of a green onion and maybe 3 stalks of the sweet onion.
So half of a white onion.
And the green onion.
Okay.
And here, I would normally use the pot butter. However, this can work. And here is the fish. This fish is called a red snapper. The reason why I cut it like this, I want the seasoning to go all inside. You know what I mean? And
notice the nice fresh eyes.
Nice fresh eyes. Make sure it's like this, people.
Not
no white. And over there, I have my pot waiting for my water to get to boiling temperature. Then I'm gonna put my vegetable in. So I will see you on the flip side. So now, as you can see, my water is at boiling temperature. So I'm gonna add all the ingredients now. You know what I mean? So let me see. Move this over here. I'm gonna add the then move this one right here. Add okra. So now, in the meantime, while that is boiling, I'm gonna add my seasoning to the fish. So, for my viewers, I just want to make it clear that I don't cook by measurement. This is what I do. I get a little bowl, put some of the fish seasoning in. Okay, and then I put some of the beef. So I mix it together. Mix it together. Yep, and then I rub it all on my fish. See? I sprinkle it a little. Massage it in. You gotta be careful though with the gill. It can be sharp, cut you. You don't want that. Inside, sprinkle. And then you flip it to the other side and do the same thing. Rub it in. Okay, let me wash my hands. Let me wash my hand, people. Now, I'm gonna add my butter.
That thing is almost gone.
Yep. Add like 2 spoons. As I say, some people maybe like butter more than me, but that's the most I had. And let it simmer down a little. Give it like maybe 5 minutes, and then we're gonna put the fish in.
Notice that the oven is on high.
Yeah, I cook, people.
And it smells so good.
I cook on high, no matter what I'm cooking. Even if I'm doing jerk chicken in the oven, I do it on the highest, and it's perfect. Don't worry, I got a video coming for the jerk chicken. So now we're gonna put the fish in the pot. Take your time, lift the fish, put it right there. Don't watch the tail. By the time it's the water get through it, it will go down. It will, you know what I mean? And then you're gonna cover it for a little. Give it around 10 minutes, and then I will get back to you. Okay, my viewers, remember to clean as you go, you know what I mean? You will always make sure your work area is super clean. So let me go and wash my hands now. I'm gonna come back. Okay.
The fish is still boiling on high.
So here we go, people. Fish is there. I did not flip it. As you see, I covered so it's steamed both on both sides. Now, I'm about to add my Grace coconut powder. And people, make sure you're not lactose
Intolerant. But I don't think coconut milk is
It
lactose.
will affect some people. So this is how I do it. I just sprinkle it.
1 pack.
1 pack. Okay. And then I get my spoon. And I mean, spread it a little so that it boils. Woo! Smell that? This is the only time the eyes should look white, people. The only time. So after we do this, we're gonna give it maybe 5 minutes before we add the crackers. So see you in 5 minutes, people. So this is what it should look like, people. And now we're gonna add the water crackers. You know what I mean? So open it. Add. You can add however many water crackers you want, depends on how big the pot is that you use. Me, I'm just adding. Ain't gonna add the whole bag though, but you know what I mean? That's enough. So you're gonna put them down a little, sink them in the coconut juice a little. Or you can just go like this with the spoon. And you get some over here, get some over there. Okay. This is the end product now, people. As you can see, the crackers are boiled. You know what I mean? So now I'm gonna just remove this from off that part so it don't stay bubbling. And then, so this is the end product, people. You know what I mean? I wish you all could try it, but everything gonna be in the description on how to make it. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.